viewers, my name is Harvey and I'm back with another video for my pen tapping tutorial series, and today we are going to learn double hand pen tapping. So let's get started. First, let us know what's the note for the double hand. The double hand is a hand which you not usually use, like the non-dominant or the secondary hand. I'm a left-hander, so my double hand or my second hand is right. So what's the note for it? The note is 4 or tap. You can call it either note or tap. Tap is written as T during the beat notations. So let's start with the first beat. Okay, before starting with the beat, let's get to know how does double hand sound. It's just the two what to do with the primary hand. It's two with my left hand, with my primary or the dominant hand, and it's the two again with my non-dominant or my secondary or the double hand, anything you can call it. So it's the same thing. The sound is almost the same. Now why do we use double hand? I'll tell you a difference. Let's take the beat 1, 2, 3 and 2. If I play this beat with single hand, it sounds average. It doesn't look very interesting or very attractive. Now when I play it with double hand, so there's a difference. So did you understand? So how to write it, the notations for the double hand, it goes as T. I prefer tap more than notating as 4 because it will be easy to understand. So let's start with the first beat. The first beat is 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 2 tap. So as you see, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 2 was the very first beat which we learned in the single hand basic. So even the double hand goes like that, the beats along with the single hand. So let's start. 1 tap. I told you tap is what you do. 2 with the primary hand is that what we have to do with the second hand. So 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 2 tap. If even now you have any doubts, so let me just clear it, because like what you have to do is you get the 1 2 3 2 beat, 1 2 3 2. So that's it. You just need to add a tap after every note. 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 2 tap. After practicing slow, even this beat sounds fast. Even this is like this sounds better when it plays fast. So okay, so it's better when we play it fast. So just practice it, and let's get ahead with the second beat. If you have any doubts, just comment them down below so that I can clarify it in my next video. So please don't keep the doubts in your mind. Please ask it in the comments below. Okay, so let's move on to the next beat. Okay, again this was the beat which we learned in single hand basic. 1 2 3 1 2 1 3. So it's just tap after every note. It's really easy. Double hand is really easy, and actually it's more easy while learning complex single hand, but it's just really simple. So just practice it. Okay, let's start with the beat. 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 1 tap, 2 tap, 1 tap, 3 tap. Let me do it a bit faster for you to get the sound of the actual beat. Now what am I doing? How can I play it together? It's just a loop because I'm playing it together. Once see. Now how to continue this beat? To continue this beat, we should do 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 1 tap, 2 tap, 1 tap, 3 tap. Then start with 2 again, because 2 is to fill the gap instead of breaking the beat. So you can write it 2 tap, 2 tap. Yeah. So just try this beat, it just goes on. No need to take a break in the middle of the beat. So it's like 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, 1 tap, 2 tap, 1 tap, 3 tap, 2 tap. So it just continues. Let me play it without saying. You can do this with the single hand. You can do the same thing with the single hand. Did you get it? It's just loop. Just practice it, show it to your friends. I hope they like it. So let's move on to the next beat. Next beat is not that tricky, but if you guys got these 2 beats nicely, or 3 beats nicely, then you can do this one. It's actually, I'll write the notes, it will take a bit time. Okay, it's again a really huge note or the beat on the screen, but it's easy. It's the beat 1 2 2 2 3 2 2 1 2 2 1 2 3 2 2. It was one of the complex beat which we learned for single hand. So what you need to do is to see the beat either on the screen, or if you wrote it down it will be better. Just observe the beat and then play it while speaking. So you need to use 3 of your senses. One is your movement or your hand or touch, your visual senses, you should observe the beat, and your vocal sense, you should say the beat while you're playing it. So it should be it sounds better in medium speed, or fast it sounds more better. So that's the beat. Let's move on to the next beat. I'll give you more 5 seconds to note down the beat if you have not done that. So well, let's move on to the next beat. I hope you all have noted it down. Next beat is huge number but a simple beat again. It was a complex beat which we learned for single hand. It is 1 2 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 3 2 2 3 2 2. I told you we go for descending order than ascending order in this one. So again, 3 senses will make you to play this beat nicely. Let me play this in medium and fast speed. Let me play it more slower. Did you get it? Let me play it fast. So this was the beat. I'll give you a few seconds to note down the beat if you have not done that. So okay, so let's move on to the next beat, or the last beat of this video. So the beat is a bit tricky for me, but I think that you guys have practiced well for basics, so you would get this easier. huge but easy beat. Not easy beat actually, tricky, but let's see. Let me play this for you fast. Okay, you got it? So let me play it slow for you, and just remember the timing, because people get messed up when they play fast with double hand. What happens with them is, I'll tell you. Are you getting this? Are you getting this? I'm playing both the beats, like both the notes together. It happens, like it's the fact, it happens because you're not habituated of doing that. So just practice to get the timing well. If you are able to do this, I have equal interval of time between each of my note, but some people have do this. It's not a equal interval of time. Okay, so you should do that. So last time, let's recap this beat. So these were the beats of this video. Now just I want to thank you all for helping me to make at least 3 videos. I was not even hoping that I could have made 3 videos also, but it's all of the viewer support and your guys support that I am successful in making 3 videos. So just comment down below if you have any doubt related to pen tapping, either it's of double hand or the timing, your grip, or anything you have doubt. And please subscribe the video if you like it, share it to more of your friends who struggle for pen tapping, like the video, and just enjoy pen tapping. I just want to say enjoy pen tapping, and you can do many covers, like the covers of many songs, if you learn pen tapping nicely with your double hand especially. So, and I want to request one, guys, to all of my viewers, that please comment down below if I am doing anything wrong in my video, if my language is not proper, or either something is not proper, but just comment down below. And or if I'm missing something for my tutorial video, or I can edit my videos or add something new stuff, add some new stuff, sorry. So just comment down below, subscribe, share, like, and enjoy pen tapping. Thanks for watching.